A good hand mixer should control flour without covering your kitchen in it, handle thick dough without giving up, and still feel comfortable in your hand. Here are the 5 strongest options from our comparison, ranked from best to weakest. At number 1 is the Breville Handy Mix Scraper. For me, this is the most complete mixer in the comparison because it combines strong performance with controls and features that are genuinely useful while you're baking. The mixer automatically recognizes which attachment you are using and adjusts its speed range. That sounds like a small detail, but in practice, it makes the machine easier to control. The rubber-edged beaters stay in contact with the bowl, work quietly, and reduce the need to stop and scrape the sides. You also get a timer, a pause button, a bowl light, and a storage case that keeps everything together. Compared with the simpler models, the Breville feels more polished and more focused on demanding baking. But there is a point you should know. At 3.9 pounds, it is one of the heavier choices here, and it is also the most expensive. That extra weight becomes noticeable during longer mixing sessions, especially when whipping or holding the mixer at an angle. If you regularly make thick cookie dough, whipped egg whites, frosting, or bread dough, and want the best overall experience, this is the model I would look at first. But if you want similar performance for less money, the next mixer is very interesting. Links to all products from this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. Second place goes to the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus. It comes very close to the Breville in core mixing ability, but it offers a more straightforward design and usually represents better value. Its strongest feature is the gradual starting system. The first 3 settings begin slowly, which helps keep flour, sugar, and liquid inside the bowl instead of throwing them across the counter. It handles dense cookie dough well, whips egg whites effectively, and includes one of the better accessory sets in this ranking. The rigid storage case is also more practical than a loose fabric bag, and the 3-year limited warranty is the longest verified warranty among these models. The downside is that it can become loud at higher speeds. With very thick mixtures, it may also shake a little and dough can collect inside the beaters. The Breville feels smoother and quieter, while the KitchenAid below is lighter in the hand. This is a strong choice for anyone who bakes often but does not need every premium feature. It gives you good control, useful attachments, and reliable power without moving into the highest price range. And now we come to the lightest and most versatile option in the group. If this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In third place is the KitchenAid 9-speed hand mixer. What stood out to me immediately is how light it is. At only 2.3 pounds, it is much easier to hold during longer recipes than the Breville or Cuisinart. You get 9 speeds, a controlled starting function, a soft grip handle, and a cord that can lock to either side. The accessory selection is excellent. Along with the regular beaters, whisk, and dough hooks, it includes a blending rod for drinks, soups, and sauces. It performs well with bread dough, buttercream, whipped cream, and egg whites, so it is not simply a lightweight mixer for easy jobs. However, there is no separate boost function, and the fabric storage bag is less protective and less organized than the hard cases supplied with the top 2 products. It is also priced above many basic mixers, so you are paying partly for the lighter design and the wider range of attachments. If comfort and versatility matter more to you than maximum power, the KitchenAid is a very sensible choice. It is especially useful when you often mix for several minutes at a time. But the next model takes a different approach, with more power on paper and a motor position designed to reduce wrist effort. Fourth place goes to the Braun MultiMix 5. On paper, its 350-watt motor looks very strong, and the vertical motor layout is designed to move more of the weight toward the bowl instead of your wrist. The one-handed speed dial makes it possible to change settings without releasing the handle. Its sealed body is also easy to wipe clean, and the supplied beaters can handle whipping and general mixing while the dough hooks cover heavier recipes. In some tests, the Braun delivered strong results, so it certainly has enough power for regular home baking. But this is where the difference between specifications and real use becomes clear. It was louder than the other leading models in recent comparison testing, felt heavy during difficult tasks, and sometimes took longer than expected when creaming or whipping. The speed dial can also increase power too quickly, so it does not feel as controlled as the Cuisinart or KitchenAid. Choose the Braun if you value a strong motor, simple cleaning, and one-handed control. But if you mostly prepare lighter batters and want to spend as little as possible, the final product may be enough. In fifth place is the Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer. This is the budget option in the ranking, and it focuses on basic mixing rather than premium controls or a large attachment collection. It works well for cake batter, icing, sauces, and egg whites. The quick burst button provides extra power when needed, while the bowl rest lets the mixer sit against the edge of the bowl between steps. I also like the snap-on case because it keeps the attachments with the machine, something that is easy to appreciate when kitchen storage is limited. But there is a problem with the speed range. Even the lowest setting can be too fast for dry ingredients, which increases the chance of splattering. The beaters also slow down in dense cookie dough, and stiff mixtures may require frequent stopping and scraping. Compared with the other four models, it has fewer attachments and less precise control. This mixer makes sense for occasional baking and lighter recipes. If you mainly prepare boxed cake mixes, whipped cream, or simple frosting, it covers the basics at a lower cost. For frequent baking or heavy dough, one of the higher-ranked models will be the better long-term choice. Check the links in the description to find the top-ranked mixers and compare the latest available prices. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product comparisons.